Presenting a brand new 2021 Winnebago Micro Mini 2100BH. New 2021 Winnebago Micro Mini 2100BH. The compact camper without compromise, Micro Mini is big on features and ready for wayfaring. At 7 feet wide and with multiple open floor plans to choose from, experience the camper life the way you want. Our 2100BH is finished in brilliant silver with the crosshatch interior trim. This coach is optioned with heated holding tank pads, solar panel, power stabilizer jacks, and 15,000 BTU air conditioner. MSRP on this coach is $39,551. UVW is 3,900 pounds, while the GVW is 5,500 pounds. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.gurtonautosales.com, or call John Gurton to discuss transaction details. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee are extra.